In this video, let me show you how to use Hyundai Auto Dehumidify climate control settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the setup, so it's the last button from the right, and choose here the vehicle, so this car icon. Then on the left side, you've got the few tabs that you can choose. In my case, let me select here the climate. Then select here automatic ventilation, the second option. And as you can see, you can use here Auto Dehumidify. So what it does, it keeps the cabin air from becoming stagnant. If internal air recirculation runs too long, the car automatically introduces outside ventilation to pull moisture out of the car. I think it's quite useful, so I like to have this to have the fresh air. So let me leave this enabled. If you would like to turn it off, you can just use it by using this switcher. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.